Google must have sent 10 different things on my phone overnight about rain. Excuse me. I don't think it did anything overnight, but we were definitely overcast all night because there is zero moisture on anything. Well, zero dew on anything. The air is damp, but there's nothing. So, and they cut the chance of rain today. Not a lot. Tomorrow is supposed to be worse, but who knows. So 60, 63 degrees, I think it is. I had to look at the mercury on the post this morning because weather station's on that peak right there. And it doesn't always make it. Right now it's in the corner of the basement right there. It doesn't always make it. I don't know why. I did it in the trailer once in a while too. And I don't think anybody's going to come in here to get fed. So I got to decide what I'm going to do today. I do need to shuffle things around in here. And at the same time, I got to get some stuff done in the house too. So I don't know. But feed the dogs, feed the steers, and go from there. Looky what I found. Putting her fingerprints on the window and waving hello to everybody. Should I let her out? Shall we unpin the monster? Run away, be free. Hey, I was kidding. I was kidding. Hey, I was kidding. I didn't really mean for you to run away. Give me that. Yeah? Okay, there you go. There's your warning shot of her. Typical female running away. Unless she wants something, then she'll run to me. In the meantime, I just make sure she doesn't fall on her face. Grass thieves. Only one baby and two mamas. Not sure which side of the fence the baby's on. I think the baby's on the other side. Yeah, mamas weren't nice enough to look. Yep, baby's on the other side. Finally gonna get the traveler moved over here where the cows were. Spent a bunch of time this morning trying to figure out what Becky's got to go to Homeo Depot for. She just left. And seems the neighbors must be pouring a patio. I kind of figured they had everything done over there. Anyway, there's the deers. I've had to wait for traffic, and then we got one that ran up the hill and then stops. I think that's Dancer. She just got to be a stubborn pain in the butt. Well, Blakely's got her a little dolly and a little ducky in there.
Oh, you want your baby in there? Here.
She did really good going from here over to that little refrigerator, but not so much coming back.
I thought it would entertain her, but she's entertained us with it instead.
Here you go. We should be up for your baby.
I didn't know it'd be that hard to watch.
There we go. Rainy, shut up.
Barefoot, look.
Oh, well, there you go. That's what she's doing.
Are you grabbing your baby and you're going to show Bampa your baby?
I'm letting my brain take a rest because I got to cut 2 holes on the other side of that wall and stick plug boxes in. I got them mostly marked out. I just got a little head scratch to do. This has really been an all-day project. And yeah, Ty's got a little work to do. I put 1.5 by 3 inch blocks in there so that I could put a screw in the corner. These are the these are them fancy boxes. Got a little deal on the edge. When you turn the screw, it swings out and it tightens up and pulls up tight. But I wanted to go into something solid too.
Oh, and if anyone wants
and I got that together, then get it in, I can turn the power back on. But here's the funny part. The funny part.
Oh, I was going to say, if anyone wants to know, if you stain something and you get on your paint, Dawn Power Wash and a paper towel will get it right off, by the way.
Now you know. But ask Becky what happens when you reclined over there in the corner in that fancy electric couch.
And everybody leaves you.
And you're still, I was still now.
She had
I just
Blake
couldn't
there
hear
asleep
you.
on her. And she says, hey. She texted me because the guy was here to fill the nitrogen tank for the semen. She says, I need power, so
I slid all that.
I split the wires up there, gave her power so she could get up. And now, you know, 1 foot on the ladder, 1 foot on the stove, and it's fun. But almost done. But let's ask Ty what happens when I turn the breaker back on.
It didn't
And-
look like it was close enough. It didn't look like they were broken enough.
We'll throw some backstory. The gentleman that wired this house in 1976 was a laid-off marine electrician. So, I mean, things were done to code, but a lot of things were done more like ship code. She's busy with that screen there, going around that plug-in. And apparently a piece of that screen must have gone in.
Which, not like I could see it, but it popped. I did not get electrocuted though.
Good thing.
I just want to point that out.
So,
Get out here. You're all white now.
anyway, finish that, turn it back on, and let her go back and see what she can do around that plug-in in there.
I'm done
And-
with it, buddy.
On the plus side, I got 2 to put over here. Trash masher and the little dishwasher go here, and they need a plug. And we're going to put one in that somewhere in there. And there's only one thing marked on in the breaker box for the washing machine. So I'm guessing that one right there is all on its own. And I'm hoping I can sneak through across there to get to it. Because that plywood will come out of there easy. And then it's open to right behind here. So that's what I'm hoping. I don't think I'm going to get that done today. I'm going to do good to finish this today. New mixer, some spray. Says she's going to go around that patch the cows are in. Bunch of blackberries and crap growing again. And I got to go shut that one off. We usually catch it before it crosses the old creek bed, but you know, a little busy. I saw it was close, and then I was on the ladder again and got screwed up, so we're just going to single pass it. What the heck. And the rain we got earlier didn't amount to anything in the gauge. It just barely got everything wet, and that was it. So, who knows, but it rained pretty good up on the hill. Watched it for a couple hours up there. So anyway, I'm going to shut that off, feed the steers, feed the dogs. And by then, Becky might be back in. We can fight each other over who gets in the shower first. Guess that was good timing. She's working her way back up here, and I checked a few things, got everybody fed. Checked the radar. At 9 o'clock till like 11 o'clock tonight, we're supposed to be 80% chance of rain. Radar shows right now it's coming along this edge of the Cascades and the other side of the Coast Range. Nothing through here. Hey look, there she is. I'm nice to her. It's a pain in the ass to get a backpack spray around to get off and open the gate. I know that. Look at that, she even got a head nod. Anyway, thank you all for watching. And tomorrow, and today I didn't get what I wanted to do. I wanted to pasture harrow up there where we're irrigating. The part the Traveler's actually running at the moment doesn't need it so bad, but the rest of it does. I'll frickin' go for a mole humps down. But, yeah, I had to get this other stuff done, and I didn't feel like bouncing around on a tractor. Maybe tomorrow. Still got 2 more plug-ins to do, but, yeah.